Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create events in a calendar for Redmi 12R. And to do this we'll need to find our calendar in Google Apps right here. Now if you want to create new event, click on this plus button. Here you can create either the event or a simple task. I'm gonna go with event. We can add the title to identify our event, so let's name it shopping. Next thing is to pick when this event will occur, and in this case I'm gonna go with all day so that it will be visible all day, and I will go shopping on Wednesday right here. You can also select the specific time for this event, add people to they'll be able to see this event as well, video conferencing, and also you can add a location, for example a shop name, remind you of this event for a specific amount of time that you can add right here, add notification 1 day before. You can change the color, how it will appear on your calendar, and also add the description, for example shopping list. You can also attach any document to it, and when you're ready click on save, and that way you'll create your event, which should be visible on Wednesday right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.